The training was a 3-day training. They give us very great hands-on training, so we're working on somebody and somebody's working on us. Very straightforward. They have a manual that they give us, and the Thorp Institute has been incredible when it comes to questions. If I have any question, any patient that I can't, like, I've tried this and this isn't working, I've tried the regular protocols. They have very standard protocols that we start off with. If I try those and it's not working, Lisa is a text away. I send her a text and I'm pretty impressed, it's shocking, she'll get back to me within 5 to 15 minutes. And anybody from the company that I've had to reach out to, I've seen that type of result. Even John, if I've had questions that were, I've tried this, any other suggestions, any ideas, or if they have something that, the protocols are great when it comes to pain, but what if I've got someone who is dealing with an anxiety or a neuropathy type thing, that's a little bit different. So and what's incredible too, because like I said, with the machine, unless you hit somebody with it, you're not going to hurt them. So it gives you that confidence, okay, I'm going to try this. And really, I feel somewhat intuitive for the machine. So based on what the patient tells me about what they're going through, I'll try things and I'll Google microcurrent and a condition. I found some sort of research study that I can relate to the protocols that we have and modify them so that I can work with the patient. So that learning about it is the easiest thing.